Star Wondershare Filmora reviews star Tony Correa. Are you ready to bring your ideas to life? Say hello to Wondershare Filmora, your gateway to stunning video creations without the steep learning curve. Right finger go to Wondershare Filmora magnifying glass. Suitable for whether you're a beginner exploring the world of video editing or a seasoned creator looking for intuitive software, Filmora is perfect for you. From vlogs to family videos, presentations to social media content, Filmora empowers you to unleash your creativity in any project. Flower petal pricing. Filmora has 4 different plans. 1. Individuals, month, at $28.98 per month. 2. Individuals, year, at $68.98 per year. 3. Individuals, perpetual plan, at $116.95. 4. For team at $155.88 per year. Flower petal key features. 1. Intuitive interface. Navigate effortlessly with our user-friendly interface. 2. Basic editing tools. Trim, cut, and merge video clips with ease. 3. Visual effects and filters. Choose from a variety of filters and overlays to enhance your videos. 4. Transitions. Smoothly transition between clips for a polished finish. 5. Audio editing. Add background music, sound effects, and voiceovers to your videos. 6. Color correction. Adjust brightness, contrast, and more to perfect your footage. 7. Text and titles. Customize your videos with stylish text and title options. 8. Green screen. Effortlessly remove backgrounds and replace them with any image or video. 9. Advanced editing features. Dive deeper with advanced tools like keyframing and audio equalization. Flower petal ease of use. Tired of complicated interfaces and endless tutorials? Filmora understands. Our user-friendly platform is designed with simplicity in mind. Dive right into editing with drag-and-drop functionality, easy-to-understand tools, and a seamless editing experience. No technical expertise required, just your imagination. Ready to transform your ideas into captivating videos. Download Wondershare Filmora now and start your creative journey today. With our risk-free trial, there's no reason to wait. Unleash your potential with Filmora. The possibilities are endless. Wondershare Filmora, easy-to-use video editing software. Wondershare Filmora is a simple video editor that empowers you to edit video and audio on Windows and Mac. Download www.kqzyfj.com. By highlighting specific features, the ad provides a clearer picture of what users can expect from Wondershare Filmora and how it can meet their editing needs. Go to Wondershare Filmora check mark.